You will love the features of this 2005 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Designed to reflect your unique spirit, the Wrangler brings solid power, efficiency, safety, and rugged innovation to all your adventures. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: four-wheel drive, full-size spare tire, intermittent wipers, tow hooks, adjustable steering wheel, tires, rear all-terrain, bucket seats, CD player, steel wheels, AC. There's nothing like that feeling of wind in your hair freedom. Get into the Wrangler today.